The atmosphere is not normal. Something is shifting. Something is breaking. Something is burning. WAKA MODIMO WA PHELA. WA PHELA. Not in silence, not in weakness, but in fire, in power, in glory. Let the sound rise like thunder. Let the room shake like Pentecost. Let the atmosphere open like heaven is touching earth.